Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to see a program for palindrome number. A palindrome number is a number which when reversed remains the same. For example, 101, 121 is a palindrome number. So let's see how we can achieve this through Java program. So let's create a Java class named palindrome. Create a scanner object. Fix the inputs. Let's ask user enter a number. Store this number to variable num. Create a temporary variable which will hold this original number. Create a variable called reverse which will use to see if number is a palindrome number or not. So reverse into 10 plus num multiplication 10 num equal to num divided by 10. Let's print this reverse number just for our understanding. Let's compare if this number is the same as original number. If it's same, let's print this is a palindrome number. Else print it's not a palindrome number. Let's save this and run. 101 the palindrome number. Let's again run and see and give input a not palindrome number like 122. Thanks for watching.